How to select who can send message on groups on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit members who can send message on your group on Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone, click on it and click on your group. Now click on your profile, and all you need to do is scroll down and click on permission. Click on the last option, which is send messages. Now you have who can send messages, only admins or all members. For example, I choose only admins and click on OK, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.